In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to look for archived chat in WhatsApp Web. Whether you're revisiting old conversations or simply decluttering your chat list, accessing your archived chats on WhatsApp Web is straightforward once you know the way. So, let's dive into it. First, make sure you're logged into your WhatsApp Web account. To do this, you'll need to connect your smartphone to the web version by scanning the QR code displayed. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar interface of WhatsApp Web right in front of you. On the left-hand side, there's a list of all your active chats. Now, the first thing you need to do is open your chats, which is essentially already done as soon as you log in. You'll see all your conversations listed there, but what you're searching for is in a slightly less visible spot, so let's get to it. Take a look at the right side of the screen, particularly at the top corner above your chat list. You'll notice 3 vertical dots, known as the More Options icon. Click on it. This might be a tiny step, but it's crucial as it holds the key to a variety of options you'll want to access every now and then. Once you click on the More Options icon, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu includes several options, some of which you might be familiar with, like New Group or Settings. But the one we're looking for at the moment is the Archived option. Go ahead and click on Archived. When you do so, you'll be redirected to a list of all your archived chats. These archived chats are essentially conversations you've tidied away to keep your chat list clean and organized. They aren't deleted, just tucked away out of sight. Now, within the archive section, you can scroll through each chat. If you wish to unarchive any of these chats and bring them back to the main chat list, you can do so easily. Just click on the chat you're interested in, and then click on the top icon that looks like a box with a downward arrow. This will move your chat back to the main list. A quick tip to ensure efficiency. If you often archive and unarchive chats, familiarize yourself with the position of these options. Practicing this routine will make future access swift and hassle-free. Plus, it's a useful habit for managing those conversations you might not need every day, but don't want to lose track of. That's all there is to finding your archived chats on WhatsApp Web. Whether you're decluttering, organizing, or just taking a trip down memory lane, managing your chat history can enhance your WhatsApp experience greatly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one.